Today I will be targeting largemouth in the 90-degree heat. Let's get started.
Gave up on the frog for the time being. Switched up little spinner thing. Figured if something's gonna eat, it's gonna eat small. Boom. First cast with the spinner. Dink. It's tiny. It's a fish though, on the board. Second one on the spinner. Another dink. See if they get any bigger. Little sunfish. Number 3, also small. A little bit longer. Another one, pretty small. Forgot how many. Calling it a day. I'll take 5 bass. They're all dinks, but it's 90 degrees, midday, end of July. I'll take anything.